Taking in a deep breath, allowing the oxygen to activate you, to bring you to life, while at the same time relaxing you, allowing space for you to come into this moment, to connect with yourself, to activate your success button so you can easily and effortlessly attract success into your life. Taking in a nice deep breath, allowing your eyes to close. That oxygen is flowing through you, nourishing you, activating all of your cells, your courage, your success.
You're enough. You've always been enough, and you always will be.
Just breathing in and breathing out.
No matter.
You're in this moment now, right here, right now.
Your ideas are.
It's time for you to attract your success, to believe in yourself and to know that success is coming. It's arriving.
You are worthy of success,
and you're ready.
You are deserving.
You're ready
of
for
success.
it all.
You welcome success.
Breathing in and breathing out. Be very clear on what success means to you.
You are meant to
Define
have
it
success.
for yourself.
You are enough. You are worthy. And you are deserving.
What does success mean to
You
you?
are enough. You are
How will
worthy.
you know
You are deserving.
when you are successful?
You matter. You make a difference.
Clarify it. Own it.
It's
Declare
easy
it.
for you to attract success into your life. It's so easy and effortless. You automatically attract success. And you are enough. You are worthy. You are deserving. You've always been enough. You'll always be enough. Your ideas have value. You make a difference. You are needed. You are enough.
And as you look back and reflect for a minute and become aware, what have you already accomplished? Where are you already successful? Where has success already been activated within you
Remember
and
who
in
you
your
are.
life? Where have you
Guided
received
by your
your
inner
success?
knowing, by your intuition, by your soul. Let all negativity just flow away from you. Remembering that you were born worthy and you remain worthy your whole life. You are enough. You are enough. You are enough. You are enough. You are enough.
What path are you choosing to go down that will create your success? And what's the meaning behind what you are doing?
It's time
Why does it matter?
to receive.
What's the importance? What difference is it making to you or the world around you?
To others.
Why does this journey have meaning to you?
You're enough. You're enough. You're enough. You're enough. You've always been enough. You are worthy. You are deserving. You are enough. You are enough. You are enough now. You are enough then, and you'll be enough tomorrow.
Become aware of your success center inside of you.
Always been enough.
Imagine it now. Pretend if you need to.
You are enough.
And see yourself activating your internal success center now so that you continuously,
Remembering that you were born
effortlessly
worthy.
automatically attract success into your life. Your effort is paying off, and you are able and willing to receive the success that is yours to have. And you can handle all of the challenges that come with this success, and all of the ease that comes with your success. You can handle it all. You're ready for it. And every day it becomes easier and easier. It's time to continuously activate and attract success into your life, and for you to receive it, to be yourself and to own the success you're creating. It's yours to have, and it simply comes to you. You've always been enough. You are deserving. Now you know with certainty that you are attracting success, that you've already attracted and achieved success in your life, and more is continuously flowing to you every day in all the ways that success has meaning to you. Success is yours to have, and you are receiving it now and continuously attracting it into your life. And with this knowledge, when you're ready, go ahead and open your eyes, return to your day, allowing yourself to continue to attract success into your life, and reactivating your inner success center whenever you need to. Have an incredible day. Sending you endless love. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channels, and we will go on more inner journeys together and continue to allow ourselves to receive the success we desire and are worthy of. Have a beautiful day.